Assalamu alaikum. Today we are gonna give you very important and interesting information that will protect you from the loss. Now I have seen many customers in our iStore. They are complaining their MacBook, especially the old MacBooks, after installing the latest updates, the latest OS. Now I have today the list of all Mac OS. As you can see, this MacBook, first of all, I'm gonna share the specs and the latest MacBook. This is the Apple M3 Max, as you can see. M3 Max, 48 GB RAM and the 1 TB SSD. So now coming towards me, this is the latest MacBook with Apple M3 chip, right? Not even M3 chip Max, like 11 Pro or 12 Pro, and we have another model 12 Pro Max. So there is a big difference between a Pro model and a Pro Max model. So same, this is the M3 Pro Max model. And this MacBook has the OS, as you can see, this is the latest version, Tahoe. The Tahoe is the latest OS, Mac OS version. If you install the latest same Mac OS version on this MacBook, this is the 2017 model, 2018 or 2020, even M1. So most of the customers I have seen in our lab, we have the brand is iStore by Hassan, as you guys can see on the back of the studio. This is iStore by Hassan. Our lab is Apple Force, right? So most of the customer, they are coming with their different complaints. Sometimes they are coming with the blank LED with the zero display panel. The keyboard is not working, the speakers are not working, especially the MacBook with displays, they are not working, they are not showing their displays. So there's so many complaints. The major issue that I'm gonna sharing with you today: do not upgrade your old MacBook to the latest Mac OS. This will burn your MacBook. Apple is playing with us. uh, I can have proof with, if you visit our lab, you guys can see so many cases. So now there's the list of the Mac OS. Now I will also share that where you guys actually stop. Till Sierra, I'm gonna start from the Sierra or High Sierra. Still Sierra, it was better. Mojave, Catalina, the best OS so far, it was Catalina. Till 2023, 2020, with iMac, or you guys can see with MacBook Air 2017 till Air, you guys can have Catalina. Big Sur, after Big Sur, you guys, if you have installed Big Sur in your MacBook, especially in MacBook Pro, the issues, they have seen many issues with Big Sur. Monterey, it was the worst than Big Sur. Ventura, Sonoma, now this is Sequoia and the Tahoe. These are the very high specs MacBook OS. Now the reason is why today I have this MacBook. Now I'm gonna compare these two MacBook all together. This MacBook is the old generation MacBook, right? This MacBook came in 2017 with the OS High Sierra or Catalina, maximum Catalina. This is supported up to Big Sur or maximum Monterey. But if you install Monterey or the latest OS, Tahoe or Sequoia, the high loaded OS on your old devices, they will gonna burn your MacBook, they will gonna burn your devices. We have experienced this as well, personal experience. If we install even Big Sur, the old model, Big Sur is highly MacBook OS. Now one last question, then I'm gonna complete my session. You guys can see this MacBook has the OS Tahoe, right? This MacBook is the first of all, this the MacBook has had M3 chip first, and the second is M3 Pro Max chip second, the higher than M3 chip even. This is Intel model. Even if you install in M1, in M2 we have seen issues. 2021 the MacBook is 14 inches, MacBook Pro M1 14 inches. Issues are so many, there are issues with the, and after installing the latest OS. Now what happens, it is with 48 GB RAM. Now the MacBook, this MacBook is with only 8 GB RAM. So 48 GB RAM is compatible with this high loaded MacBook. Even 48 GB RAM, even 36 GB RAM, even 20 GB RAM, the maximum RAM was 16 GB before, when these MacBook Air or Pro, they were the high MacBooks, considered to be the high MacBooks. Even it was with the 8 GB or 32 GB maximum, but this is the 48 GB RAM. So do not install to the latest OS. Now what we see, if you have a question, if you have an update on your setting, let's see, I have my iPhone as well, so let me share with you one more thing. You guys can see the update. It says install Mac OS, install MacBook. So leave that notification as it is. Do not install any. It's iPhone 11. Before it was my phone was 14 Pro Max, and same I installed the latest latest OS in that phone, but I did not recover my phone, the display gone straight away. So now my request is, all of the Apple MacBook user, do not install the latest OS in all your old MacBooks. Thank you so much.